Good morning. This is James once again from the Wall Street Minute, standing right in front of the New York Stock Exchange. And some interesting news came out yesterday. The chairman of Airbnb, which I would think would be quite worried about AI, because I would think that would be a company that might lose a lot of market share because of AI, said that AI is fantastic and it's going to create far more jobs than it destroys, and particularly it's going to help people who have those side hustles that they make extra money aside from their full-time employment. I am a big fan of side hustles. I always have been. And I thought that was an interesting commentary, given most of the recent commentary on AI has been this negative kind of AI is going to take over the world nonsense. Anyway, it shows that AI is still a very good investment right now, and it has a lot of legs on the upside. This is James once again standing right in front of the Wall Street, right in front of the New York Stock Exchange, down on Broad Street, across from Wall Street. And I want to say hi, leave comments, say hello, and of course hit that button on the bottom there and subscribe to these videos. Thank you very much.